Rain hammered the steps. His chest rose and fell, waiting. Then, her hand lifted, hesitant at first, then sure. She caught him by the coat, pulled him past the threshold. The door closed behind them, shutting out the storm. The jasmine candles flickered. Shadows danced across the walls. Their fragrance filled the room, warm, heady, binding them together. Her back pressed to the door. His lips traced her jaw, the tender hollow beneath her ear. Heat bloomed. Their mouths found each other again. A spark to tinder. Her satin robe loosened, slipped in a hush of silk. They moved with certainty, like two storms colliding at last. Unlearning restraint, finding one another in pauses, in breaths. His mouth brushed her collarbone, and she trembled. He lifted her, as if she were weightless, laid her gently on the couch. Her arms looped behind his neck, pulled him closer. Not a question, a claim. When he entered her, it wasn't collision, it was recognition. Two halves, made whole at last. Candle flames wavered, perfuming the air with jasmine. Their bodies found a rhythm, breath to breath. Storm outside keeping time. It didn't feel like crossing a line, it felt like arriving.
If you enjoyed this video, it would mean so much to me if you could like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support not only inspires me, but also helps me create more content that I hope you will love. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for being such an important part of this community. It's truly appreciated.